Today's lesson is English Useful Daily Expression Day 1. Hello everyone, welcome back to my Easy Talk Corner channel. Today is day 1 of our 8-minute daily English series, and let's learn 10 useful English expressions. Ready? Let's start. Here's an expression 1. How's it going? It means, how are you? For example, when you meet your friend Tom at school, maybe somewhere, and you want to know his condition, you can say, hey Tom, how's it going? Now, it's your turn, repeat after me, how's it going? How is it going? And write your own sentence. Expression 2, it's long time no see. It means we say this when we meet someone after a long time. For example, oh, long time no see, Lily. How have you been? Now, repeat after me. Long time no see. Long time no see. Now, if you know what it means, time to write your own sentence. Expression 3, I'm just kidding. Meaning, I'm joking. Example, don't worry, I'm just kidding. Now, repeat after me. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. If you know what it means, time to write your own sentence. Expression 4, that's awesome. Meaning, causing a feeling of great admiration, respect, or fear. Extremely good example. You passed the test? That's awesome. Now time to repeat after me. That's awesome. That's awesome. If you know what that means, time to write your own sentences. Expression 5, I'm not sure. Meaning, the speaker lacks certainty or understanding about something. I don't know exactly. Example, I'm not sure if he's coming. Repeat after me, I'm not sure. Now, it's time to write your own sentence. Expression -6 inches. Could you repeat that, please? It means, when you don't hear someone clearly, you request say it again. Example, sorry, could you repeat that, please? Repeat after me, could you repeat that, please? Now it's time to write your own sentence. Expression 7, let's get started. It means a common way to begin an activity or text. Example, okay, everyone, let's get started. Let's get started. If you know what that means, please write your own sentence. Expression 8, I'm on my way. It means, it's a common way to let someone know you are coming now. For example, I'm on my way to your house. Repeat after me, I'm on my way. Now, it's time to write your own sentence. Take your time. It means if you take your time doing something, you do it quite slowly and do not hurry. Example, it's okay, take your time. Take your time. Repeat after me. If you know the meaning, write your own sentence. See you around. It means, a casual way to say goodbye. You expect to see the person again in the future. Example, alright, see you around. See you around. Repeat after me. If you know the meaning, write your own sentence. Now let's say them together. I'll say it, then you repeat after me. How's it going? It's your turn to say it. Repeat after me. Long time no see. It's your turn to say it. I'm just kidding. It's your turn to say it. That's awesome. It's your turn to say it. I'm not sure. It's your turn to say it. Could you repeat that, please? It's your turn to say it. Let's get started. It's your turn to say it. I'm on my way. It's your turn to say it. Take your time. It's your turn to say it. See you around. It's your turn to say it. Tomorrow on day 2, we'll learn about common English mistakes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share so we can learn together every day. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.